नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका एक बार फिर से आरडी कैंपस के इस स्टूडेंट स्पीक चैनल पे बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। और आप जैसा कि इस सीरीज में देख रहे हैं कि स्टूडेंट लगातार अपने प्रयास को जारी रखे हैं। आज प्रिया, जो कि पिछले साल की सफल छात्रा रही हैं एनटीए एग्ज़ाम में, पॉलिटिकल साइंस के कुछ पहलुओं को लेकर के आपके सामने फिर से हाजिर हैं। प्रिया, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। हम चाहेंगे कि आज वेस्टर्न थिंकर में मिल के बारे में कुछ बच्चों को बताएं, और मैं चाहूँगा कि इंग्लिश मीडियम के बच्चों के लिए भी कंटिन्यू मैं कुछ ना कुछ लेके आता रहूँगा इस तरह से। हिंदी मीडियम वाले तो फिलहाल इसका ज़रूर लाभ उठाएं। आज से हम उस प्रयास में भी जुड़ेंगे कि दोनों मीडियम के बच्चे अधिक से अधिक लाभ उठा सकें। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप सबका। स्वागत है प्रिया आपका।
धन्यवाद सर।
हाँ, just today we would like to discuss about the meal in English also, because some students sending some messages
Sure.
and asking me, sir, when will you start in English? So today, Priya, very thankful for today, and we have to start on meal.
Thank you, sir. We will begin by a brief introduction about J.S. Mill, John Stuart Mill. So first thing that we have to remember about J.S. Mill, that he was an English philosopher and his ideas were influenced by his life story, we can say. He was a disciple of Bentham and his father James Mill and Bentham. They both influenced J.S. Mill's life in a very important way, we can say. And there was a time when James Mill, he started criticizing the Bentham's and his father philosophy of utilitarianism, that is greatest happiness of the greatest number. So this happened because he was disliking this philosophy of materialism that his parents and his guru, we can say his main teacher, was teaching him. So he started doing something different from that side, and he began his own philosophy of utilitarianism. So this was a brief history where he had a nervous breakdown, and in his life he met a woman which also influenced his life. So this was basically about his life. He got influenced by various people, and we afterwards, when sir will give me few topics and he'll ask me few questions about his basic philosophy, we will discuss about some main subtopics later. So sir, we can begin with that.
Yeah, very, very welcome and thank you. Just you are asking about Mrs. Taylor,
Yes.
that woman.
Yes.
Okay, Mrs. Taylor, as well as you know that Mrs. Taylor is the turning point of Mill's life. So first, just I am asking you, give me some ideas about the thought of Mills on utilitarianism
Sure.
and individualism, or you can say women's.
Sure.
Some topics very
Yeah.
important.
Okay.
Several questions asking every year, different examinations about Mill with this utilitarianism. What is the difference between Mill and Bentham,
Sure.
and what is the quality of life, and you can say the happiness of people? Very important thinking
Sure.
about the
Sure.
Okay.
So Mill wrote his book Utilitarianism, which is very important in our NET exam as well. So Mill differentiated from Bentham's philosophy because Bentham basically focused on the quantity, whereas Mill focused on the quality. So Mill said that there is a chance that pleasure cannot be quantified, but there are different qualities of pleasure which are also important in an individual's life. So he talked about hierarchy of pleasures, that there are some pleasures which cannot be quantified, rather it can be considered as a higher pleasure or it can be considered as lower pleasure. So he focused on the quality of pleasure, and on the similar lines he said a very famous statement that it is better to be a human dissatisfied than a pig satisfied. So from this we can understand his philosophy, Mill's philosophy of utilitarianism, that he did not focus on the quantity, rather he focused on the quality of the pleasure, which was an important aspect of Mill's idea on utilitarianism, and which is very important for us to understand as a NET political science students. So as sir talked about that, we also need to talk about Mill's idea of individualism. So he also talked about individual liberty, and he is also considered as the father of classical liberalism. So Mill, we can also say that he was the first liberal thinker who thought about individual liberty, who thought about individualism. So he thought that individual freedom is very important. But again, his book on liberty, which is also very important for us as a student of political science, he talked about liberty, he talked about individualism in his book, and he said that he actually thought about a scenario that okay, individual liberty is fine, everyone should be free, everyone should be self-determined, but what is the case, and what are the restrictions which should be applied to individual liberty? So in seeking answer for this question in a society, he said that only in one case he talked about two actions: self-regarding actions and other regarding actions. He said that self-regarding action is action by an individual which only affects individual who is the doer of that action. Rather, the other regarding action is something, it is a sphere of action where someone's action, that is the action of the doer, impacts the society as well, impact the other person as well. So on his book on liberty, Mill said that on self-regarding action, government cannot interfere in individual self-regarding action, whereas Mill said that when there is something which is harming the society at large, the government or the society, they can intervene in between and they can interfere the other regarding actions of an individual as well. So this was the basic division line, this was the basic difference which we can see Mill talked about, and whereas other thinkers, we saw that there were no other thinker who talked about this sense of liberty. So we can go forward with other principles of the J.S. Mill as well.
What J.S. Mill thought about the woman? Because after meeting of Mrs. Taylor, there was something different about his thought, and it maybe you can say that is the time when he include the sensitive things
Sure, बिल्कुल
in society and role of women in society and everything
बिल्कुल.
as well as I heard.
Yes.
So what about women's?
As sir said that because Mrs. Taylor changed Mill's life, so we need to understand that he turned very sensitive after this episode, after meeting Mrs. Taylor. Mills and Taylor, they both wrote a book, again very important for us as a student of political science, Subjection of Women. So this book basically talked about women's freedom. So Mill is also considered as the first feminist in Western political philosophy, which is also important fact for us as students of political science. He said that women, they should have equality, there should be equality of sexes, there should be no discrimination on the basis of gender. He said that women should have equal right in the property, women should have equality in the employment. If women, there is again one important line or a statement of Mill which we can say. He said that if women given the equal chance to perform, or a woman given the equal platform, she will achieve the same success as men. So this in itself reflect Mill's whole philosophy on women, where he talked about women liberty. He said that if woman chooses to be a housewife, it is her wish which is making her a housewife. You cannot force her to do something else. But if woman chooses to do something else, if woman chooses to be in public sphere, then she cannot be coerced by anyone. She cannot be coerced just on the basis that she is a woman and she cannot go out. So this is the broad thinking of Mill, which is, we can say, impacted by the relationship with Mrs. Taylor in his life. And this is how we can say that Mill was the feminist thinker.
Okay, Priya, and last one thing, what is the real ideas of Mill about democracy?
This is really very important because in present context we see that anyone who even do not have knowledge about what democracy is, what politics is, what public policy is, they go and they vote for the people. They go and vote for the government. But Mill had a very different view. He said that democracy is a nice form of government. Democracy is very important for the freedom of speech and expression. Democracy is again very important for upholding the individualism and the individual right. He talked about the suffrage. He talked about everything which is concerned with the liberty of an individual. But he said that democracy is only beneficial for homogeneous state, or we can say small state, because he said that democracy, there are high chances that democracy can turn into tyranny because of the majority rule of the people. So he said that democracy can only run successfully in a place where people are rational, where people are important. So he talked about plurality of votes in a democracy, because people who are educated, who have that logical mind, who have that rationality, who have that creative faculties, those who can understand about what is right and wrong, only they can vote. So he talked about this thing. He said that democracy is nice, but it cannot be implied anywhere where there is no logical faculty existing in the minds of the people.
Okay, Priya, very, very thank you. And finally, in rapid time, we discuss about some questions in one line. Just what is the difference between Bentham and Mill's ideas
Yes.
in one line?
So Bentham talked about the quantity of the pleasure, whereas Mill talked about the quality of the pleasure.
What is the role of individual person in Mill's ideas?
Individual is the important element in a society. So he said that individual freedom is the important, and we cannot curtail the freedom of the individual until and unless it is concerned with the self-regarding actions.
Uh, for example, just tell 2-3 books, important books, who has written by Mill.
Okay, so we already talked about this in our discussion on liberty, which is very important, subjection of women, political principles of political economy, and on logics. These are very important books written by Mill, and these will be very beneficial for us as a student of political science preparing for the NET examination.
Thank you so much, Priya, and thank you to all of you. Very, very thank you so much.